Hello and good day, traders. Hope all of you guys are enjoying the weekend. I will do some AUD USD top down analysis and we will try to visualize where do we stand if we would like to take any trade. If you can see the monthly time frame now, the monthly time frame is actually ranging for a long time. And if we define the range, this should be our range from here to here, from here to here. Let me do it from, we have two options here. We can do it from here to here, or we can do it from here to here. So let's take the range, not to extend this. We take this shadow as a glitch in the market. So let's put it something like this. So in this range, the market is going on for a long time, from 2015 to till date. Now, still, if we consider the market monthly time frame, the market is still bearish, undoubtedly. But there are some information here we would like to visualize. One of these is that the previous low it created in 2020, here it is. This low, I think this is due to COVID situation or something like that. And the next low it has created, if we say now, is this one. And this one on, I think it was created on October 22 after the consequences and escalation of Ukraine-Russian war. So this is the next thing. Please bear with me, I'm a little bit slow in analyzing things, and at the same time you can accommodate the information. And now there is another low it has created here. So if we visualize this also, this is the low. So our main concentration is at these two lows, lower lows market has created. But the current low, lower low, is higher than the previous lower low. So, and if we compare this guy with this guy, it is much more higher low than the lower low of this one. So there is, we can say, a shift in market. If we see these things, a market is shifting or drifting a little bit on the from bearish to bullish mode at the moment, or on monthly chart we can say. Now, to have a double bottom on the monthly time frame, we need one red, one green, one red, one green. But this green we cannot take under consideration at the moment because it is the month of November, and when we are recording this video, it is 12th of November. So until 30th of November we cannot say anything, because if it gets more bearish it will break down, so it will be red and there will be no double bottom at all. So in month we have only the information that we have a lower low here, this guy, this is the guy which we can visualize for the moment, and this lower low is in compare to this lower low is a higher lower low. This is a higher lower low in compared to this. And as for the 12 days of this month, we can see price got on the upside, but price got back in a very it's a inverted hammer situation, but it is too early to comment on the monthly candle. And if we measure the length range, not length, if we measure the length range, we can see that the half of it is somewhere here. So we mark that for future references, so where the market is heading or where it is not. And moving back to week, now this is our weekly situation, and in week we can see what is happening now. As in the monthly trend it is downtrend, weekly it is downtrend also, and of course we have a higher low in compared to this lower low. So did we made anything here, any double bottom? I don't think so. We don't have any double bottom here at all. This doesn't match anywhere, no red candle. So let's come up. Yes, we do have a double top here, this area. We can take double top from here to or here, but I don't want to go so back in the price action. Rather I will prefer to deal with this double top. So if we measure, let's put this double top in action. This is the double top we have. For a double top we need green and red. So this is the double top we have at the moment in weekly time frame. And measuring this double top, let me if we measure the depth of the market at the moment, we don't have anything here, so leave it like that for the moment. In week we don't have anything else. This is the only piece of information we have, and this guy has pushed the price. This top, this top is responsible. This top is responsible. This top is responsible for this bottom so far. And again, if we want to see any double bottom here, we cannot, because there is no, the red and green is here and still it is. So what happened last week is that it has a very big negative candle, bearish candle, we can say is a dark cloud cover in textbook definition. And this bearish has made me worried, because it is almost covered this candle, but it couldn't break the previous candle. So in weekly we don't have anything at the moment, no double bottom. So let's move to day time frame. In day time frame we can see that yes, we do have a double bottom here. Can you guys see? This is the one and this is the one. If we compare, we do have a double bottom. So let's mark the day double bottom here. This is the day double bottom we have, and let's mark it properly so we can work with it. And this is the daily double bottom we have right now. So this is let's get back to weekly. I need to visualize the weekly in day time frame. And these guys too. moving back to day time frame, we have a double top here in week and a double bottom in daytime also, and we can see that price tried to come here to this third time. Thrice the price has hit to this double bottom of day and made this fragile. So if we compare the range now, and this guy, then we can see half of it is lying somewhere here, and we change the color, we change the line orientation. So now what is happening here? What price action we have? The price went up from here. This is a very good demand zone, because whenever the price came to this zone, it went up, came back, it went up, came back, it went up, came back, and again it went up. But after going up here in the daytime frame, it took all the liquidity. This guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, all this liquidity has been taken off. And now we have a double top, or whatever you say, triple top. If we consider from this guy, actually, this is the best place we can see. This is a double top has been formed in daytime frame here, and so let's put it in marking in a more professional way. If we treat this as this is let's write it down for better clarity. P1, pattern 1, weekly double top. So this is first pattern we can see, and this should be like this. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and then we have a double bottom or triple bottom, whatever you say, from here. We have it from here. So it is pattern 3, I beg your pardon, pattern 2. So it is P2 double daily double bottom. So we have this in daily, and after that the price has reached this level and it created a double top here. So can we have this in 4 hours also? I need to check. Orientation needs to be here, and this guy needs to be out, so we can analyze properly. Let's turn it for month only. We don't need this. Okay, let's do it for week and put the line there for daily double bottom. This is the thing, and we after if we consider P1 and weekly double top with pattern 2 here, daily double bottom, we have the half here. Now after reaching the price here, we can see it has created a double bottom, a double top here in daily time frame, So let's mark it as pattern 3, P3 daily, double top. So this is P3 daily double top. So let's save the template for future use, so we can conduct the video more easily. And now if we measure half, let's remove this half for the time being, as it is out of very out of the range. Okay, leave it for the time being. Leave it. Now if we compare P3 with our this guy, P2, this guy, we let us measure the half. Before we go for the half, let us put the line there and let's measure the half now. And the half of it is this. This is P2 and P3, and this half is for P1, P2. So we disregard this one right now. Let's concentrate here as the price is playing around here. So here all the fair value gap has been taken out almost, you can see, and there is nothing left for FVG. But at the same time, I am expecting this guy has came here, mitigate the fair value gap and try to push the price upward. And we got some what you call some news, NAB, business confidence, and also we may have some Westpac consumer confidence change. These two news in the next week when it will open, that may affect this. At the same time, we have some CPI data of a huge data of US dollar will be revealed during missing November. This has already gone, so let's concentrate here. Core inflation rate year on year, core inflation rate month on month, and again retail sales, PPI, all this data is going to affect this pair. So what we can do, we can see that the previous top has been made, the demand zone is here. So the price has came already down to this place, and the buyer started getting interested and pushed the price to the current level last week. And it is still in bearish mood, but the bearish mood has become weak because to take the price from this level, we can see 1, 2, 3 candle, 3 days move has reached this top, but it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the whole week to bring the price and couldn't break the lowest. This region, it didn't break this one. This is the thing. So we have to keep an eye if the price comes back to this region, and the demand zone may get activated, and we cannot see any bottom, double bottom here, because we have only red candles on the right side. So let's get back to 4 hours and let's see. Yes, now we can see very clearly why the price has started ranging here in 4 hours, because of this opposite color candle in the uptrend, previous uptrend. Can you guys see? This is a very powerful candle. Any candle which is opposite in color in a trend. So if it is uptrend, and the opposite color uptrend means all should be green, and if there is a in between there is a red candle, then it's a very powerful candle. And at the same time, in downtrend, if all candles should be red, and if there is an opposite color candle green, and then that is a powerful candle. So considering this whole candlestick, if we draw the line here and draw the zone here, we can see that it is working in this zone now. This candle is currently creating the resistance, or I beg your pardon, the support for the price not to break down, and it has been already tested to the lowest, but it failed to move upward. So this is not giving us any clear indication, but as time goes by, the experience, I can tell you this, maybe it will come to grab this liquidity, and do we have fair value gap? I don't think so. We don't have, nothing is left here, so nothing that much left to draw the price down here, except we have massive change in some fundamental news. So let's to be a little bit conservative, I'm expecting that maybe it will come already. In compared to this candle, it has come to this level already. Can you see, guys? If we mark this, it has already taken the liquidity. So there is a slim chance that it will get down again, because this candle, this red guy, this red one has already taken the liquidity. Can you guys see? Okay, hold on. Let me show you more clearly so you can visualize properly. If we draw an arrow from here, it has taken out the liquidity. All the liquidity it has taken out. So the question is whether it will be able to survive on a upward trend after taking out this liquidity, or it will go down. So my way of thinking is simple. If it moves a little bit high, come back and move high and break this area, this guy, if it breaks this area, it will show some reaction and it will come here, and only then we can decide what to do in the next stage. So this is one move we have. Second move, we can think, you can see there is a lot of liquidity lying here too. If we mark this area properly, this is the whole zone full of liquidity. So maybe if it cannot push the market on downside, maybe it will come here, and maybe it will take down some liquidity from here, then it will move to this area. On the bullish side, if we see that the price broke this area, the price breaks this area, if the price successfully breaks this area, specifically I'm telling you, so let's do this way, that it will go up and make something like this, or may go up and retest here, and if it passes, then it will reach to this area. So these are the two scenarios at the moment for AUD USD, and mostly this next week will be dominated by US data coming out of this price action I have drawn. So watch out for this, and it is my, let me draw the downside too. If it breaks this area, then it will go down, it will get bearish undoubtedly, and if it breaks this area, it will start getting bullish, and maybe after the price reaches here, we will consider what to do or not. And if any of this line is broken, in my opinion, we may have a better opportunity on bullish or bearish to the extent of it will go this much, or let's put it in perspective. It should be black. No, it should be green, and the bottom line should be black. And at the same time, if it breaks this black one, I think this is the zone where we will see the price will start coming. So that's all for the time being for AUD USD. So watch the pair, but it is confusing at the moment. There is no clear price action we can determine, which will, especially until this box is very important at the moment, because this box is holding a ranging here. If we extend the box, you can see there's a lot of ranging going on in this area inside this box. So we make it very specific to this candle, and so this box is very important. If you have any question or query, please do put it in the comment section. I will try to reply, and if you have your own analysis, please share with me. I would like to learn from you guys at the same time. And thanks in advance if you please kind enough to subscribe, push the bell button, and thumbs up. Have a good day.